this is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. So I haven't done a what's in my bag video for a while now, and I really wanted to do a new one because I got a new one for Christmas from someone special. So I wanted to share a little bit more with you on that and kind of show you how much I can fit. So the bag I'll be talking to you today is the Tory Burch bag right here. This is, I believe, their camera bag. It's really popular nowadays, I believe, and I've seen it online for a while now. The little thing that I do not like about this is that when you open the bag up, you don't get a lot of space to bring things out. So if you have an expensive wallet in here, you have to be super careful not to let it touch the zipper part because you never know what might happen. But other than that, it does keep everything secure. So if you're traveling and everything, this actually is a pretty good bag to use. And I got it in the dark blue color, as you can see. So we're gonna go inside and see what we have. So since this is a much smaller bag and there's not much you can fit in here, I just keep the bare minimal stuff in here. Sometimes I would go on meetings with this. I would just hold my notebook or my laptop with me. But other than that, that is pretty much it. They have 2 slots on the upper side. Usually I put cash if I'm carrying a card wallet, or I would just put any paper receipts or whatever in there. So that's the thing I put in there. And then on the other side, there's a zip pocket, and I usually keep a small panty liner in there just in case I have some period problems, and I have that ready to go. So in my bag, I always have this. It's always tissue paper. This is like a little cute Asian version of it. I just keep that for sure because I always need tissue, and if someone else needs it, you can just give it to them right away, and that's something that's nice to really have on hand. The next thing I have is my hand cream. I always have hand cream here because I'm a dry person. I am dry on my face, on my arms and legs, and my hands, so if I need it, I have this. This is the Malone hand cream. This is actually a gift from a friend named Anita. Thank you, Anita. And she sent me, or she gave me 3 different kinds, and I have, this one is peony and blush suede. This one sounds super nice, so I decided to put this one in there. And then some other little things I have in here are my lip balm. I always keep a lip balm in here, no matter what I have. I have some color, so even if it's like slightly like a lip balm or something like that, at least I can have color too. So this one is the Fresh Sugar in Rose. This is their tinted lip treatment. It's like a little like a reddy color, but it goes on really sheer, so I like that. And then I just keep 2 hair ties in here because you never know when you'll need it. I have this really nice scrunchie from Buttonhead, which is now called Sugar Crush, and then I just have those these ones that don't hurt your hair or like make it dent. And then last but not least, my wallet is in here. Sometimes I carry my YSL card case in here. Other times I can carry my other wallets because all my wallets are pretty small, so they fit perfectly in here. But right now I have this one right here. This is a pouch from STIL Classic. It's super cute. I love the size, and it fits really nicely in bigger bags especially. Right now it fits perfectly in this bag, but it's still a little bit hard to kind of take out because it fits a little too well. But yeah, so this is it. I just keep some important things in here. Basically, I keep all my cards in here. You don't get to organize them well, but they work well in here. And I like how you can open this up really well and you can see exactly what's inside. I do have a lip balm here, so if I decide to just bring this out, I can actually just live with this only, which is really nice. I have cash in here, and you can also fit more things in here. So I can put my cream in there, I can put the hair tie in there. It's almost like a little pouch that you can just carry and have everything with you at all times. So that is that. I really love this bag. It just has a nice look to it, and it's really pretty, and I definitely recommend this bag. It's really cute. And yeah, so hope you enjoy. So that's the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed this quick what's in my bag video. I love doing these types of videos because I love seeing what people put inside their bag, especially when sometimes they have some new things that they want to share. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to follow me in Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram to see all my behind the scenes and fun stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!